So you don't know me and I don't know you, but if there's one thing you should know about me, it's that I've never successfully made a game. Like many people, all of my projects just kinda fizzle out before they get, 10% of the way done. I don't know anything about anything right now, so I'm gonna try to make a tiny little simple baby game and see how well that goes. I also figured I could make it mobile and put ads on it because I need money. I do enjoy money. If you're watching, subscribe. I like money. I don't know how to record intros. But the general idea of the game is that you're going to be a square and there's going to be a circular platform and bombs and stuff. It's going to be cool. It's going to be fun. And most importantly, it's going to be easy. So since I'm an indie game developer, I need to make sure my priorities are in order so I can actually produce something playable in a reasonable amount of time. So of course, after setting up the camera and the platform, the first thing I script is this nifty color changer when you start each round, and look at it, it's sweet. You're the same color as the background, so yeah, the game is basically finished. With the top priority out of the way, I started to write some of the actual controls for the player, and after writing the same script 3 different ways because I'm incredibly indecisive, I had some player movement I was happy with, and would later completely rewrite. That aside, I realized it wouldn't be much of a game without some sense of peril, so I present to you Sphere. The way these work is a cylinder appears from thin air, shrinks after a few seconds, and spawns this cool looking red sphere that falls and, get this, explodes. This makes an explosion that throws the player if it goes off near it, and kills the player if it hits it directly, which makes a pretty fun mechanic, especially since the platform is going to be shrinking slowly the entire time, until it eventually stops at a very small circle, hopefully inspiring this kind of bullet hell type feel for the game. If you're wondering why my hair and clothes are different, I have significantly more facial hair. And the lighting in my room is completely different, and that's because I recorded that intro about a week ago. Look, see, there is it's the video, that's what you just watched, hopefully. Oh, I hope so. This is because this is getting to the part that I know nothing about. Obviously, I made the whole game, but all I really know is coding, and not even that much of it. I didn't go to college, or at least I haven't yet. These are the problems that I need to fix in Unity's engine, and not in the code itself, like what you're hopefully seeing on screen right now. That part, yeah. Every time I started a new level from inside the current level, the lighting would completely mess up. It would all go dark and kind of monochromatic in a way, and it looked ugly. And I didn't understand what was happening because, you see, if it's the same exact level and it's just loading it again, why isn't the lighting the same? Why isn't it the same? I don't know. So it took me like 2 days to figure out that problem, mainly because when something isn't working right, I get lazy and just don't, do it, which isn't an effective strategy, but it's my video, shut up. So I finally got that around because I baked lighting, whatever that means, and now it works like a charm. I just need to implement a million other things like score, coins, customization, other stuff, and I'm not looking forward to it because I'm not good at it. But of course, it's a grind. Oh, wait, this is out of order. I implemented starting a new level from inside the current level, which I didn't tell you about, but I guess you know now because that's how the whole lighting problem started. Essentially, the way this works is whenever you fall off the platform, or a bomb hits you, or anything else happens that would cause your player to die, you explode, it looks pretty cool, and then this text pops up saying, you died, or game over, or I don't know, you can see it, I can't. You click this button, and it loads the exact same scene. For right now, this is pretty simple because I just need to tell Unity to reload its current scene. But later, after I add a player profile and score and coins and customization, this is going to get significantly more complicated, and I do not think that is going to be fun. It took me a really long time, and I don't know why, because sometimes Unity just breaks, and it's super frustrating. But finally, I added some cosmetic updates, a trail for the player, an explosion effect for the player, and a bit of camera shake when you die, just to give it a bit more of a polished, final game type feel. That's right, it's 4 days later, I changed my clothes again. If you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thanks, because my average view duration is 3.5 minutes, so at this point I think you're about 8 minutes in, 7 minutes in, I don't know, so thank you. I hope this was high quality content. It probably wasn't. I know I said I'm making a mobile game, and that was the title of the video and what I said at the beginning of the video, but I don't know how to do that. The only way I know how to test it is to use Unity's remote, and Unity's remote does not work in the slightest. With that aside, next episode, and there will be another episode, I'll be adding some customization, an actual menu, which I technically have right now, but it does not work very well, and a couple other features to make it more enjoyable, like sound effects, maybe music, some stuff like that. But I should be finishing it next video, so subscribe if you want to see that. Please, I only have 10 subscribers. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm going to go shave now. Because sometimes Unity just breaks and it's super frustrating. That's enough. That's you know what? That's